Okay, I had a hinge break on me. You see where it tore there. So the hinge was part of my table support, and it goes there. And that is what I replaced it with, is a strap hinge. So this went like that. And now I have a much more solid hinge there, and it's holding the table. You know, the hinge has a little bit of motion to it, but the table is definitely more solid than it was. And cost $3.50 for the hinge, plus about $3 to get some number 10 3/4 inch and number 10 1-inch wood screws for it, with the cone heads to fit into the cone of the hinge, or the what do you call it, the chamfered hole on the hinges. So yeah, quick easy fix, and my table is now much more solid.